Hello people, welcome to Gurukula. I'm Jay. So today in this video we will be walking you through how to set up Microsoft Teams for your online classes or to conduct any online meetings. So first of all, you will have to land on the Microsoft Teams official website, and this is an official URL of the Microsoft Teams. Don't worry, I will be giving you this URL in my description section. You can just click on the URL which is given in the description section, and you can follow the instructions whatever been given in this particular video. So this video is going to be an follow along video. You can proceed the step by step procedure along with the video itself. So now let's get started. So once you have loaded once you get landed on this particular page, you can click on sign up for free. So this is a very first step which we have to do. So whereas when you click on sign up for free, you will be having a new tab opened on your browser, and then the Microsoft will ask you for the email requirements. So there you can type your email. So for in our case, my email ID will be learnwithgurukula@gmail.com. So once you have given the email ID, you can click on next. So there you will be asked for what type of Microsoft Teams you want to set up. This is for school, this is for family and friends, and this is for work and organizations. You can always go for work and organization and then click next. So first the Microsoft will ask you to log in to Microsoft first, and by using that Microsoft account you will be able to create account on Microsoft Teams. Since this email ID is the very first time I am using on Microsoft, I have been prompted to create an Microsoft account. So let me go ahead and then create a Microsoft account first. In case if you already have a Microsoft account, you can proceed with the registration of Microsoft Teams. Now I will walk you through how to create a Microsoft account. So click on create account. So that will open up, and then it will ask you to give you a password. So I have given a password. Then so you will get a mail for what you have given over here, so that you can go to your mailbox and then you can check if you have received any mail or not. So let me wait for a while. So I have restarted my browser, and then I am just waiting for a mail from Microsoft which will give me a code. Okay, so verify your email address. I'll click on that mail. So you can enter this verification code. The verification code is 3775 as far as my case is concerned. For you, you will have a different code. So I have copy pasted the code here, or else you can type the code whatever you have received, and then you can click on next. So once you are done with this, you will be asked for keep you signed in. If you are using on a personal computer, you can go with the option for remember me. Otherwise you can deselect the option, and then you can go for the next steps. So now it will ask you for the first name and then the last name. For the first name I will give Gurukula. The last name I will type Happy Learning. So company name I will just give Gurukula here. Otherwise I will go with company name is Gurukula, and then I will set up the team over here. So this step will create your account with all the details whatever you have given so far. So Microsoft Teams has an desktop application as well. You can download the Windows app and you can install it on your laptop and then you can use it. I have already configured my Microsoft Teams for some other ID, so I'm not going to download another app over here in this video. So I'm just going to just cancel this, and then I'm going to launch the web-based application instead. So web-based application of Microsoft Teams and then the desktop-based application of Microsoft Teams are very similar. It will not have different environments. So while the screen gets loaded, I can show you how the web desktop application will look like. So this is how the desktop application will look like, where we can create any number of teams and then where you can see. So this is what the same thing what we are going to get on the desktop application and as well as the web-based application as well. So here what we are going to see over here is, let me proceed with how to move on with the web-based application. So here a web-based application have been loaded up. It will take some time. Microsoft Teams have quite a lots of features, so that all the features will be getting loaded, and then finally once it is done you will get the final theme. So let us wait for a while. So while the screen is loading, you can see I have given Gurukula Happy Learning. I am using Microsoft Teams of free account, and then you can see all other remaining. Then even here you have an option of downloading the desktop app, and you can configure the same on your mobile application as well. I'll just click outside, and then when you look at the activity, this will display what are all the stuff that you have, all the kinds of activities like conversation and any text that you have received. Everything will be displayed in the activity tab. When you click on chat, this will tell you what are all the private conversations that you had. So this is one-to-one communication. And then when you click on Teams, there exactly it will show you an option of creating a team. So this is where you can create a class or you can create a channel where you can invite your students and then you can ask them to take the class. So that's how you have to create an account for Microsoft Teams. So now you are all set with your Microsoft Teams account, and then in the next video we will walk you through how to create teams and how to add the students in your classes. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Jai. Happy learning.